Hi, and thanks so much for joining me. Today we are doing a Chanel Beauty unboxing haul, or an unboxing of my haul. My orders always come so beautifully packaged, so I'm going to turn the camera around so we can unbox together, but I do have some of the new items like blushes, lip color, and foundation, as well as some swatches. So let's go ahead and get started. This just arrived today. I had a plan to post something else today, but this came in and this was really exciting. So let's go ahead and open it. So we've got some lovely things in here. We have an eyeshadow actually that I ordered for the next eye cheek lip video, and we're finished up with a Tisse series. We've got Tisse Cambon here, and I think there might be one other one that I need to pick up still. So let's go ahead and we can open this. This is not new to Chanel, new to me, but the rest of the items are new. Ooh, wow, really vibrant. I was not expecting that pink to be that vibrant. And this shade right here is really bright as well. Really pretty spring colors. And it looks like I have some gifts in here. My sales associate is so kind, she'll include other little fun things for me. So she did include this. And this is a limited edition ornament from the holidays, which I don't believe is available anymore. There it is unwrapped, and it's not something you can buy either. So I think this is so beautiful. Thank you so much. And then we also have some other things. I don't know what this is. 1957. Look how cute that is, that little perfume sample. That is the cutest perfume sample I've ever seen. Also have another fragrance. Let me know if you want me to describe these in upcoming videos. This one has a really beautiful floral scent. Maybe I smell some gardenia in there. It smells really nice. She also included this Chanel No. 5 body cream sample. And we have another eye makeup remover, which is really great for removing swatches as well. So I go through these quite a bit. Okay, now to the colors. We have the two new blushes. We have Rose Ruban and Brun Rouge. We'll open this one. Oh, wow. I was actually looking for a cool blush, so that is really stunning. And I was looking for a blush to go with Tisse Cambon. Here's a swatch. Really beautiful. Let me see if I can swatch some comparisons for you as well. And then this is Brun Rouge 604. Oh, that's really different as well. Very different than any of the existing blushes that I have. It's almost like a terracotta shade. And there's a swatch of that. I'm going to actually show you what this is replacing in a moment here. I've got to look back at the information, but these two are replacing blushes, existing blushes. We have two of the new Rouge Coco blooms, and Margaret was nice enough to send me swatches of every single shade, so I will insert those after I open these. So if you're curious about any of them, hopefully those swatches will help. We have 110 Chance. And this one has silver packaging. That resembles the Rouge Coco Flash packaging to me, except that this is silver. Really pretty shade. It has some beautiful warmth to it. Actually, I think that will pair nicely with the new blush as well. I'll have to pull a look together with both of those. And then we have 124 Merveille. And here's the top. I was trying to find some easy daily wear types of shades. That's pretty. It's a little bit more pink. And there it is compared to the other shade. They both look really creamy. I'm going to go ahead and insert the shades for you of the Rouge Coco Bloom lipsticks. I'm told the texture is very similar to the Rouge Coco Flash, but shinier and more pigmented. And they also claim to have a plumping appearance effect on the lips. So I hope that all of these shades help you out. There are 20 of them. So if you want to take some screen grabs, thank you very much, Margaret, for these. She really is so helpful and wants to make sure I know what all the shades are before I order. And she did send some to me that are very close in color in case you were wondering about those. This close-up really shows you what has warmth, which has coolness, and which ones are lighter versus deeper. So I hope that's helpful for you. I know it's helpful for me to see swatches. So thank you again so much, Margaret, for sending those over and for letting me share them with you. I've already unboxed this. I've been using it for about a week, trying to formulate some thoughts for you. It's the Sublimage L'Essence du Temps by Chanel, and I have some thoughts. I also have lots of swatches for you, so I will be swatching this product for you when I do that video. So let me know if you have any specific questions. I've been trying it out with primer, without primer, applied with my clean hands versus with a brush. So again, let me know if you have any other details you want me to make sure to test out before I make that video, but I'm trying to do a really in-depth one for you on this one. I've been informed that Brun Rouge is replacing an existing blush, and that blush is Evening Beige. Here's the difference between the new blush and Evening Beige. So this is Brun Rouge, and that's Evening Beige. So Evening Beige definitely has more shimmer to it. Well, it has shimmer to it. Brun Rouge looks quite matte, actually. So I'm excited to give that a try. So I'll swatch those next to each other. And then the only other one that it reminded me of is this one. Alizane is the other one, but you can see the difference here. So let me swatch these three next to each other for you. So Brun Rouge, Evening Beige, Alizane. And this one's replacing Rosewood, which I don't have, but I do have other blushes that this kind of reminds me of, so I thought I'd pull them and swatch them just in case. So this is Rose Ruban, and this one is Pink Explosion. So you can see that Pink Explosion is not nearly as intense. And Pink Explosion is pretty intense, so I'm really excited to see this shade on. Plus, it looks more matte, the new one. And then the only other thing that I thought was close was Quintessence, but it has more warmth to it. So the new blush is definitely coolest. And here are the swatches. We have Rose Ruban, Pink Explosion, and Quintessence. So it's much cooler and deeper. Very much a raspberry shade on the new blush. I will be featuring all of these items in upcoming videos. I know it seems like this isn't all Chanel channel. It is not. Just a lot of Chanel has been coming in lately, and I also know that you are interested in those items, but I also do have other brands that I feature on here, which will be coming up. Before I forget, because I know I typically get questions about what I'm wearing, I do have on Tisse Vendome. I told you I would use this again, so I did use mostly these colors, and then this shade right here on the top, so it's a little bit more neutral appearing. And then I have on this blush right here, such a beautiful shade. I still love it. I also have on this highlighter, really soft highlight. And I have on this lip color, the Lip Lac in 62 Still. I think it's 62, did I get that right? Yes, 62 Still. But let me know what you're excited about with some of the new Chanel items. But that is it for today's video, so please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.